Freshsales CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. Freshsales CRM is a customer relationship management tool built by Freshworks, specifically designed to help sales teams streamline their workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and close deals faster. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down the key features, pros, cons, and who it's really best for. First off, what makes Freshsales stand out? The standout feature is its built-in AI assistant called Freddy AI, which helps you prioritize leads, forecast sales, and recommend next steps. It's a smart way to take the guesswork out of your sales process, especially for teams that struggle with managing large volumes of leads. Freshsales also offers customizable sales pipelines, contact management, email tracking, and a built-in phone system, meaning you can call leads directly from the CRM without needing third-party tools. It even has workflow automation to handle repetitive tasks like follow-ups and reminders, saving your team hours of manual work. Now, who is Freshsales best for? It's primarily geared towards small to mid-sized businesses looking for an all-in-one CRM solution that's easy to set up and doesn't require a dedicated IT team. The platform is user-friendly, and you can get started without a steep learning curve. It's also great for startups or growing businesses that need scalability. As your business grows, Freshsales offers more advanced features through their paid plans. Let's talk about the pros. First, the interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it easy for your sales team to adopt. Second, the mobile app is solid, perfect for sales reps who need to manage deals on the go. Third, it integrates with other Freshworks tools like Freshdesk and Freshchat, making it ideal if you're already in the Freshworks ecosystem. But here's the catch. It's not perfect. The free plan is limited in terms of features. For example, you won't get advanced reporting or Freddy AI unless you upgrade to a paid plan. Another downside is that the customization options aren't as extensive as some competitors like Salesforce or HubSpot. If you need deep customization or complex workflows, you might find Freshsales a bit basic. Overall, Freshsales is a solid choice for businesses that need a simple, effective CRM without the hassle of complex setups. It's best for teams that want to focus more on selling and less on administrative tasks. However, if you're looking for highly detailed reporting or enterprise-level customization, you may need to look elsewhere. So, should you use Freshsales? If you're a small or mid-sized business looking for an easy-to-use CRM that grows with your team, it's worth it. But if you need something more powerful and customizable, you may need to consider other options.